So this is my veggie roast dish that I'm just gonna saute one by one the vegetables a little bit. I'm not gonna fry them or anything, just saute them and then transfer them to a pan and in the oven. And here I have garlic and red onions. We're just gonna caramelize them. No, not actually. It's just so they don't have this, you know, they get a little bit softer. Green beans. These are in season now. And saute them for a little bit, like 2-3 minutes. I just added some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes that I had left over, because we're going to put tomato sauce at the end. So I'm going to transfer the onions and the beans in here. And then I'm going to make the other veggies. So now I'm sauteing sweet potatoes, yellow potatoes, and the carrots. I'm going to do the same thing. So by the way, I'm sauteing with coconut oil, and now I'm adding oregano and that's pepper. The heat is off. I'm just going to do this and stir around for a little bit. And I'm going to transfer it to the pot. And then transfer it to the oven, into the oven. In the meantime, I've preheated the oven at 350. So mix this a little bit. So now I'm adding homemade tomato sauce. And cover this, and it's going to go in the oven for 25 minutes, 30 minutes, depends on the oven. This is my veggie roast. It's vibrant and delicious. I hope you guys give it a try. It's super easy to make, actually, and healthy, very healthy.